Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Daily Doodles for You, the channel where I show you how to draw stuff every single day. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing and joining us every day for a new drawing. Let's see, today I'm going to take another request from this wonderful person right here, and I'm going to show you how to draw Bill Cipher from Gravity Falls. So I'm going to get started with a eye shape. So we're going to do a top curve like this, and I'm going to make that a little bit longer. And then the bottom is going to be same as the top, only just reversed. Okay, so now let's do the inside. There's a great big oval on the inside, and then we can do 1, 2, 3, 4 top eyelashes, and let's do 4 on the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now let's do a triangle. So let's see, come on up and come on down. And bringing these lines down further. And I'm going to go across this way. Like that. And now I'm going to do like a little bow tie here. So I'm going to go down like that, a little slanted line. And then down straight. And a slanted line the other way. And then down straight again. So we've got a little bow tie shape. Now we're also going to do a straight line going across this way, and another one. It's kind of in behind that bow tie, and we're going to do one more like that. And I'm going to put a line here, and one here, one here, and one here. And now on this middle line, I'll put one here, one here, one here, one here, and one here. And now on the last line, I'll put one here, right there, there, and there. So we kind of have like a brick pattern here behind the bow tie. Now let's do a top hat. So I'm going to do a little straight line here, and actually we're going to do like a long rectangle like that, and then another long rectangle, but this one's going to be standing up. So there we go, we've got the top hat, and now we need arms. So I'm going to do a triangle shape right here, and then we're going to have a little fist, and then we're going to follow that triangle shape. So we've got one hand on the hip, and I'm going to do the same on the other side. So I'm going to do that triangle shape, and then hand on the hip here, a little fist, and come on up and follow that triangle shape we made at first. Okay, and now some feet. So I'll do a little leg here, and a little foot, and now same thing again, little leg, little foot, another little line. All right, so we've got our drawing done, and now I'm going to start coloring. All right, folks, we are all finished our doodle for the day. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you had fun drawing along, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Goodbye, everybody.